They came to us with a unique challenge, which is how do you manufacture an attractive sign and place it atop their building where they would get good visibility. And we worked with them on what their options were, what the manufacturing technology was.
Probably the most unique challenge to the Stinson project was the height of the sign, the location of it, and the size of it. It's probably one of the largest signs we've done, 10 foot tall by 80 foot wide. And we looked at several options of getting that sign up to the 30th floor, came up with the helicopter option.
First of all, we all like working on high profile projects, and this certainly was that. A sign that's 29 stories above Kansas City and featuring the name of a prominent law firm, Stinson, who was a great customer to work with. Everybody in the shop gets energized when we're working on a large project that everybody's involved with. This sign certainly was that. We manufactured the sign itself in basically three pieces. We had large aluminum panels that were made up the background of the sign. We manufactured the letters that spelled Stinson, and we put in steel framing to hold it all together.
Definitely no doubt in my mind that we can do anything. Again, our installers have 60+ years of experience. They've seen just about everything. We have a great ability to adapt to real-world situations and make it work out in the end and make the customer happy.
The installation of the sign was actually, it was almost like a sporting event. There were people out totally unconnected to us even, watching the crews unload the giant letters and the helicopter come swooping down to pick everything up. It was really quite an exciting experience. So we all sort of stood around in awe.
Star Signs provided us a turnkey situation, which was really good for us because we were not, this isn't our expertise. Among those things that they provided were flexibility, creativity, and really dedication to us in getting this project done.
We also bring great project management and customer service. We're very focused on delivering exactly what our client is looking for.